Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you what happens with milk and vinegar when you microwave milk. This is a science experiment that requires you to use a microwave, which means you will need your parents to help you with this. So first what you need is just milk. Any kind of milk will work. I have this kind of milk, but you can get whatever you have laying around at your house. You need some vinegar, a bowl. It's very important to have the bowl, a measuring cup, because we need 1 cup of milk. So in the measuring cup, look for the 1. That's where you fill the milk in. Once you pour it in the measuring cup, you microwave it for 1.5 minutes. And when it's done, we're gonna add vinegar using tablespoons. Did you guys know your big tablespoons are the same as 1 tablespoon measuring cup? So you guys can use either, and we'll get you the same thing. So when our milk is done microwaving, we are going to pour 4 tablespoons of vinegar into it and stir it up for 1 minute. And what's going to happen is the vinegar is going to react with the milk and cause the milk to break down and clump up. And as we clump it up, we're going to shift it through a strainer and we'll see what happens. All right. So the milk is out and it is hot, so be very careful. And next we're going to take vinegar and we are going to do 4 tablespoons. So count with me. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you've done that, you start stirring it up for 1 minute. You gotta stir it. You can already see it starting to react. It is reacting quite a bit. I wonder what's gonna happen. Let's see. So as we're stirring and we're stirring, we are mixing the reacting agents with the milk. And you can see the chemical reaction happening. And once you're done stirring, oh no, I'm spilling milk. Don't tell Miss Megan. She doesn't like messes. Don't tell her. So now we're done stirring. What we are going to do is take our strainer and put it over our bowl. And then we're going to pour in the milk. You guys ready? All right, here we go. And you can see the milk is sitting on top of the strainer. It is not going through because now what? Is it a liquid anymore? No, it's becoming a solid. And so we're getting all the milk out. And then once you pour it into the strainer, you take the spoon and you start pressing the liquid out of it. You want to press as much as you can. And press, press. It doesn't smell very good, friends, so be ready for that. Milk and vinegar do not mix well. And as we're pressing it out, now we take it over to our paper towel that I have over here. And we are going to scoop it out onto the paper towel. And we are going to press it out more and more. See, you're pressing out all the liquid. You can see the liquid coming out of the milk and it's now clumpy. And once you press it out of the stuff, you know what you can do now? You can shape it. So you can take it and turn it into any shape you want. I have a little cookie cutter. So you can use whatever cookie cutter you want and fill it in. And guess what? We can also add food coloring to it to make it a different color. So let's add a few drops and see what happens as we mix it together. So now we are going to mix it all together. We're gonna keep mixing. Oh, look at that mess. It's becoming blue. And we're gonna put it back into the cookie cutter. And we're gonna let it sit. All right. So now, once you finish that, all you do is let it sit for 2 days. That's 2 whole days. And guess what will happen? It will become plastic and will be very hard. I will do a follow-up video showing you guys what happened. So I hope you have fun doing this experiment. Bye.